captivating moments, and compelling stories to inspire future generations. Opportunity now. Opportunity Now provides instruction and training on skills that lead to post-secondary success and self-sufficiency growth for students with disabilities, 504, IEP, or doctor-diagnosed disability. Our model is turnkey, as we are responsible for the instructors, curriculum, and core program resources. Our services are provided at no cost to the students, the school, or the district. Opportunity Now instruction and training focuses on 5 core categories: work readiness, self-advocacy, post-secondary training, career exploration, and work-based learning experiences. Parents and school personnel note that students in Opportunity Now experience fewer behavioral issues, increased drive and motivation, improvement in both individual and group performance and participation, and overwhelming growth in their desire to learn.
Opportunity Now allows them to take theory into practice. The transition into the real world is difficult for all of our students, but especially those who come from a different mindset or anything with special needs. And so the fact that a program takes the time to really, one, help them recognize the opportunities that are there for them, but two, how to help them achieve that goal, it's a no-brainer. Like, why wouldn't you want it on your campus would be the question.
Currently, we are partnering with approximately 70 schools across multiple states to serve a projected 2,500 students. These numbers continue to grow as more students, parents, teachers, and school officials hear about the life-changing experiences and learning opportunities gained through Opportunity Now.
I think Miss Melissa's a good teacher. She teach me things I never learned before, and she teach me how to budget my money, things I never seen before, and how I could go to college and be successful in life.
I really like the program, and I'm glad that I have the teacher I have that's helping me in doing things I need to learn for the real world.
Our goal at Opportunity Now is to prepare our students to transition out of high school and into a capacity where they can be successful and self-sufficient.
Opportunity Now teaches students how to have goals and a productive path to reach those goals.
Preparedness, knowledge, and experience are key in achieving a better and brighter tomorrow. And we believe that should start today, because success can't wait.
We love Opportunity Now.